Alright, here's the fingerprint doorknob. Just open the box. Going to show you what's all in it. Got all the parts here. Screws. Stuff. It has the smart card where you can attach this to your keys and just put it up to the knob. I'm going to take this out. There's the back side there. And there's the front side over here. Well, it's gonna have the numbers. Gonna take the film off. Get this all ready to go. Pretty nice and slick. Gonna put this all together and install it so you guys can see what it looks like. Really good, either for the kitchen or your main outdoor. I'm gonna be using this inside for our office door because the cats have been coming in and messing the place up. So yeah, really nice here. Gonna install it. Actually comes with the app too to help control everything, and then you can, there's a little charger port right there as well. But yeah, here we go. One thing you need to know is you need to route the wire through the spindle when you first start to connect it. So yeah. So I got it all hooked up. Just testing out on our old basement door here. Still need to paint it, but turn green and it works. Really nice here. I did it without the code, but you can always install a code. We're going to be using this for our basement door. So, but yeah, highly recommend it. Really nice here.